How to host a video call in Zoom. Want to connect with friends, classmates, or colleague? Let's host a video call step by step. So, step one, choose your platform. Zoom is great for large meetings, Google Meet for integrating Gmail, and Teams works best for workplaces. If you're using Zoom, go ahead and open up Zoom on your device. And then from here, go ahead and select this host button. And that would take you here. So in here, as you can see, you can go ahead and launch a meeting from Zoom using the app or your browser. So I'll simply select join from browser and that would take me here. So in here, you can go ahead and invite participants. So make sure to continue with both your microphone and camera. Invite participants. So copy the meeting link and send it via email, chat, or calendar invite, and then test your microphone and camera. Use headphones for clear audio and check your video before starting. Now you can go ahead and share your screen if you're presenting using this share button, which you basically find at the bottom middle of your screen. And then in here, you can select which screen you want to share. And then once you're done with the meeting, you can go ahead and proceed on ending the meeting by clicking on this end button at the bottom right of your page. And that is how to host a video call.